What's up, everyone? This is Shaver Jeep and Dodge in Thousand Oaks. Today, we're taking a look at a used 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye with a destroyer gray exterior and black Hellcat logo Nappa Alcantara interior, along with suede door trim paneling, and is a CARFAX One-Owner with just 5,761 miles on it, still under factory warranty. It's got the 6.2-liter V8 Supercharged engine with a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission fitted to the 2.62 rear axle ratio. Tons of torque. Low gloss wheels with Brembo Brakes, dual scoop hood, competition suspension, SRT Drive Modes, upgraded 220 mile per hour primary speedometer with the red-eye badging, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, push to start, 8.4-inch touch display, Bluetooth, ParkSense rear park assist, blind spot and cross path detection, sunroof, and more. Again, this is Shaver Dodge in Thousand Oaks, and you just took a look at a used 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye. If you like what you see, come on down. We're open 7 days a week, no appointment needed.